It's gonna be very good, very good, very good. Ay! Banana out. Stay. Michelin.
I sent it to the boss for approval. One down. Hello again. So we finished the second one. We sent it again for approval and now I'm just tired. Little break from working. Laundry. It's time for lunch and I'm feeling very lazy to cook. So, guess what I'm preparing for lunch? Chicken nuggets from Costco. 6 pieces, do you think that's enough? 7. Maybe 8. We don't need to finish all of it, so. Also, I've decided to make some smoothie with mixed berries and oatmeal. I knew that was going to be a bad idea. Ah! Sorry, I don't have food. I didn't finish the nuggets, but I'm gonna finish my smoothie. We're still here. I'm just trying to like edit as much as I can because I'm gonna get really busy, and now I have this time, so I kind of like do as much as I can so I have stock content, if that makes sense. Yeah, we're still here in front of the computer. So we're going to the gym after we feed and walk Coco, and maybe wait a little bit until the medicine takes effect so that he's not so hyper when I'm gone and he's not gonna jump or bark because it's not good for his stitches. And after that we go back to work. Are you done, my love? Are you done eating? Are you done? You ready for your walk? Ready for a walk? I almost forgot about this medicine. What? What do you need? Coco. So we left Coco in his pen. So we have to do this very fast because he can't be alone for too long. Not me checking on Coco on our camera. I'm still here in front of my computer. Now I'm editing the vlog that I'm filming right now. Papa John's have arrived. ASMR. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I think we're done for today. Some white thing.